Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make cucumber tea tzatziki. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need 1 large cucumber, about 2 cups of plain Greek yogurt, 2 cloves of fresh garlic, and 1/4 cup of fresh dill. Don't forget a tablespoon of olive oil, 1 teaspoon of white vinegar, and salt and pepper to taste. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Now, let's prepare our cucumber. Grate 1 large cucumber using the coarse side of a box grater. Next, place the grated cucumber into a colander and sprinkle it with about 1 teaspoon of salt. Let it sit for 15 minutes. This draws out excess moisture. Then, firmly squeeze out as much water as possible using your hands or a clean kitchen towel. This crucial step prevents your tea tzatziki from becoming watery. With your cucumber ready, it's time to combine everything. In a medium bowl, add the 2 cups of Greek yogurt and your well-drained cucumber. Mince 2 cloves of garlic and finely chop 1/4 cup of fresh dill, then add them to the bowl. Pour in 1 tablespoon of olive oil and 1 teaspoon of white vinegar. Season with salt and black pepper to your liking, then stir everything together until it's beautifully combined and creamy. Almost there. Once your tea tzatziki is mixed, cover the bowl tightly and refrigerate it for at least 30 minutes. This chilling period is essential as it allows all the wonderful flavors to meld and deepen, creating a more harmonious and delicious taste. When ready, give it a final stir and serve your fresh, homemade tea tzatziki as a refreshing dip, a flavorful sauce for grilled meats, or a delightful spread. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.